Hello everyone, my name is Scott, and today we're going to be reviewing COOFANDY's. These are their baggy pants, so we're going to go ahead and put them on and see what we think. So this is their style, this is what they look like. It's a little hard to see, so let's go ahead and hold this up. So this is what they look like. Let's go ahead and put them on. So different lighting. Like on the listing, they look a certain way, and then in person, they look different. That's gonna be depending on the lighting. So here we go. This is what they look like. Let's tilt this down a little bit so you guys can see better. But this is the pants. I actually do like them. You know, they're a different style. I feel like Aladdin. Because I feel like in the Aladdin movies, this is the kind of pants that he would wear. Like they're kind of puffy and then go down. You can freely do most things in it. I mean, if you're going to be doing some exercise or yoga, it does want to pull, so. But overall, if this is your style, I don't see anything wrong with them. They're true to size, so order your size. They're flexible, but they have drawstrings that you can, make tight if you need to. I don't see any need to, pull the drawstrings and make them tight. So you could just tuck them down inside if you want. They seem to be holding up pretty good. It's gonna go depend on your weight, but